Alright, guess y'all see, I'm showing you some pine logs I got yesterday. That's what I did yesterday, some exercise, cut down some pine, put my wood, follow my house in bad weather. Right out here in the log. So I'm going to cut down. Now I got the brushes, I got the pull back the back of my garden. I'm going to put a pile back there. And let them do the thing. They'll take care of their own stuff in the air so they'll be gone. They'll make melt some fertilizer. There you go. That's where I get my exercise. Sometimes if I cut down trees in the yard that needs to be cut down.